Welcome aboard. We're excited to work with you over the next while as you search for and buy your new home, and if applicable, sell your existing home. You can reach us anytime at 647 210 7653. With our knowledge and expertise, we will make the home hunting process both easier and less time consuming for you. We truly believe our job in this relationship is to make it as efficient as possible for you and then support your decisions all the way through the process. As you know, you will receive information on all new listings that match your criteria as soon as they're added to the MLS system or we get word of them from someone we know thinking of selling. Please view this information and as soon as possible do a drive-by inspection on any properties that appeal to you. Once you've decided which properties you wish to go through, just call us and we will immediately schedule an appointment for viewing. Remember that we can show you any available property regardless of the real estate agent or company name on the for sale sign. As part of our market experience home buyer success system, our one request is that if you wish to view any of these properties, you can call us directly to set up your appointment at 647 210 7653, allowing 4 to 6 hours notice in order to help us serve you better. Please call us at any time should you have any questions on these or any other homes that interest you. If at any time you want to change your criteria, price range, location, style, etc., it's no problem. Just let us know. We're happy to assist you in any way possible. Welcome aboard again.